Hello and welcome back to Literature Unlocked. I am Komal Kumari and together we decode literature from various genres and for various age class starting from standard 10th and 12th to UGC net and even practice spoken English. Most Indian learners speak English confidently but still make small mistakes that instantly reveal non native usage. Today I am going to fix 10 most common English mistakes that students from class 10 to UGC net make every day. If you stay with me till the end, your English will automatically sound more fluent and accurate. So, this video is very simple. I will show you the wrong sentence, then the correct sentence, and then explain why it is correct. We will practice this together. So, let's start improving your English right now. We usually introduce ourselves saying myself Komal, but you should know that this is one of the first mistake that you do. The correct statement is I am Komal or my name is Komal. What happens is myself is a reflexive pronoun and we never use reflexive pronouns for introduction. So practice with me. You can use your name instead. My name is Komal. I am Komal. Very good. Mistake 2. We often say the word discuss about. Let's discuss about the project. But this is an incorrect statement. The correct phrase is discuss. Why? Because the word discuss in itself contains the meaning of about. So using the word about is very unnecessary. So the right statement is let's discuss the project. Mistake 3. We often say he is having a car. Now you may think what is wrong in this statement? But the correct statement is he has a car. Why? Because have and has are the words that is used for possession. Having is a continuous form of the verb and it is used for actions, not ownership. So, in case your statement is suggesting that you are possessing something, you never use having but has or have. Mistake 4. I am knowing. Now, often while speaking, we say I am knowing, but this is incorrect. The correct is I know. Why? Because know is a state verb and state verbs are never used in continuous form. So remember, whenever you are using a state verb, never use it in continuous form. Mistake 5. Revert back. We often say I'll revert back as soon as possible, but this is very incorrect. The correct is revert. Just revert. Why? Because revert in itself means to return to or to reply. Adding back is very unnecessary and grammatically incorrect. Example, please revert at your earliest convenience. Mistake 3. I didn't knew. Many people say in this sentence, I didn't knew. This is incorrect. The correct word is I didn't know. So, in case if you are adding something after did or didn't, the verb which comes immediately after should be used in its base form. Now the verb that comes after did or didn't should be used in its base form and not past tense. Mistake 7. Passing out of school. Many people say I passed out of school. But in English language, passed out means to faint. The correct statement would be graduated from school. So when you speak correct English, you don't use passed out because the correct word is graduated. I graduated from school. The mistake 8 that most people make is return back. Return back to me or return back my book. This is very incorrect. Just like revert back, return in itself contains to return or to reply to. Adding back is incorrect. So you just use the phrase return. Another common mistake that people make is I am working since 2 hours. The correct statement in this case is I have been working for 2 hours. I have been working for 2 hours. In case you have since or for in your statement plus a time duration is given here, then that statement must always be in present perfect continuous. What tense it should follow? In case of since or for plus time duration, it should be present perfect continuous, wherein you have subject plus have been or has been plus verb in its continuous form plus since or for along with time duration. The last mistake, which is very common in English, spoken English, is do one thing. You often say do one thing is a literal English translation of Hindi statement ek kaam karo. So do one thing is a translation of Hindi statement ek kaam karo, and it is not a correct statement. The statement that you can use instead is here's what we can do or let's try. So these are some of the most common statements that we have been using without realizing. We will quickly revise all these 10 sentences. I will say the incorrect sentence first and you repeat the correct with me. Myself Komal. I am Komal. Discuss about discuss. He is having a car. He has a car. I am knowing. I know. Revert back. Revert. I didn't knew. I didn't know. Passing out of school. Graduating from school. Return back. Return. I am working since 2 years. I have been working for 2 years. Do one thing. Here's what we can do. So this was our whole 10 common mistakes. We can now have a mini speaking practice. Just repeat after me very slowly. I speak clear, confident and correct English. Say again. I speak clear, confident and correct English. Very good. If you fix this 10 mistakes, your English will immediately sound more polished and professional. Subscribe if you don't want to miss more such lessons. Till then, see you. Goodbye.